I don't trust myself. I won't go anywhere near them.
All right, this is 253737SM, the state of Michigan versus Destin Kirk.
Yes, good morning. Todd Baird appearing on behalf of Mr. Kirk, who's appearing from the Wake County Criminal Justice Center.
And good morning, Your Honor. Nora Ali on behalf of the people.
Judge, the matter was scheduled for a pretrial today. It previously was indicated by the people that they were looking to add a malicious damage to building charge. I did speak with the assistant prosecutor this morning. My understanding is that is still pending. They requested an expedited review of that. I'm just simply reviewing my motion to convert this to a personal bond with a GPS tether. Mr. Kirk has a address at 1775 Van Dyke in the city of Detroit, which is a friend's apartment where he could tether to with a, and I have explained to him, and he would abide by no contact provision as well.
And yes, Your Honor, the advocate
Hold on, I
did
have
speak to the
two
victims
complainants
as well.
here. Hold on, I have two complaining witnesses. Prosecutor 3 and Prosecutor 5, I need to move out. All right, I've got the two complainants also present in the courtroom now. So we were here last time on December 22nd to decide, or so the prosecutor can decide if they're bringing felony charges for a malicious destruction of building. And we were just discussing that when I realized that there were complainants present that I needed to bring in the courtroom. So is there any, who wants to fill in the rest? So he's requesting a personal bond with a GPS tether. Ms. Louie?
Yes, Your Honor. So the advocate did speak to the victims on this matter regarding what's going on. There is a review. I mean, there still needs to be a review on the felony warrant, but again, it hasn't been screened. I do want to bring it to the court's attention, however, defense did notify me that there is a paper in the file that says prosecutor on there, and it happens to be some texts and I believe Facebook posts that were sent by the defendant's mom, who is apparently concerned that he may have some form of undiagnosed.
State of Michigan versus Destin Kirk. Victims say they fear for their lives.
Schizophrenia due to the way that he's speaking and texting people about God and other biblical things, and that she's in fear for him and for the community. I understand he is in custody and that it is the personal bond is being requested. If at the very least we can do a GPS tether, we do have two victims on this case who are afraid for their life.
His own mother fears he may be mentally unstable and dangerous.
I've had the opportunity to review that information as well. Obviously, it's not been authenticated, and I would certainly understand why it would be a concern. In my conversations with Mr. Kirk, he is not indicated to me anything of concern. Normally, if I saw those messages, I'd be looking at a potential forensic referral, but my conversations with Mr. Kirk, he's always presented appropriately.
Here's the problem. This is the law. I cannot hold someone in custody because someone may or may not have concerns, that someone may or may not have an undiagnosed mental health condition.
I cannot jail someone over unproven mental health fears. That is against the law.
I do not have the authority to do that. It's against the law. I have to look at the bond rule, and this is what I have in front of me. I have an individual with no criminal history that's in on a misdemeanor charge, a 93-day misdemeanor. He's been in custody for since December 12th. He served a third of the potential sentence that he could get on this charge. I gave the prosecutor's office a week to make a decision as to whether or not they were charging a felony. I understand there are complaining witnesses in this case, but if the prosecutor's office has made a decision that this is a misdemeanor case, this man is not charged with assault with intent to commit great bodily harm. He's not charged with aggravated assault. He's not charged with assault with intent to commit murder. He is charged with the lowest level assaultive crime someone can be charged with. And I cannot hold an individual in custody because there are some unfounded allegations that this person might be mentally ill. If the prosecutor's office was that convinced that there was a serious threat of bodily harm to someone, they would have acted accordingly. And I don't have the authority to keep someone in custody by looking at the facts. There's no prior criminal history.
No criminal history, no felony charge, no legal reason to hold him.
I have to, especially when the prosecutor's office, and I understand it's over a holiday, but if this is such a grave concern, what are you doing?
Your Honor, I did request a GPS tether. If he were to be,
I'm giving him a GPS.
Okay. And just for the record, there are two complaining witnesses, which means there are two addresses. If
all of
the court needs them, I can supply them.
Mr. Kirk, do you hear and understand me?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Do you understand me?
You said you're giving me a GPS tether, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, so you know what's going on, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't trust me. I won't go anywhere near them.
No. You listen to me. You listen to me right now. Mr. Rodney Myers and Ashley Austin are complaining witnesses on this case. And if I find out that you have gone anywhere near where they live, where they work, where they go to school, if you have any contact with them whatsoever.
If you contact them, even online, I will throw you back in jail.
If you call them, text them, email them, talk about them on social media. If you have any contact through a third party and have your cousin or your sister or your buddy contact them, I will throw you back in jail. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am. As soon as I get out, I'm going to block them on every social media.
I'll block them everywhere. I'll stay far away.
And I'm going to be in Detroit, so I'm going to be far away from them. Trust me.
Good. And you understand if they contact you, do not reply.
Okay. So
what do you do if you...
They won't get in any trouble if they contact me, just if I answer back?
Yup.
Okay.
Got it? So listen, say for instance, you're at a grocery store and you see Mr. Myers in the grocery store. What do?
I guess I leave, right?
You leave immediately. Got it?
Okay, makes sense.
All right. I'm going to convert the bond to personal with the GPS tether.
Bond converted. GPS tether ordered.
What am I doing? Setting this another week or two? I mean, I'm going to set it for January 21st.
Thank you.
Pretrial January 21st at 9:30 a.m. Everyone can appear via Zoom. You're not to be within a mile of their residences. All right.
Do you know how long it takes to get the tether?
I do not. The county will get to you as soon as they can. I don't know. I would assume it's a few days.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.